On the Brother 1034D, you will notice that there is a pressure adjustment at the top of the serger. So what are we talking about? We're talking about being able to increase the pressure of this foot or decrease it if you need to. What I would probably do is recommend that you make some type of mark on it so you know how many times you've turned it, or just make it a little note on some sticky notes. So if you need to make it tighter, okay, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but you can go ahead and turn that to make it increased or decreased pressure. Now, tell you the truth, most of the time with the serger, I would mostly use the differential feed, and that's that last adjustment here on this side. And if you want to see the differential feed video we've done, just click on this eye in the top right corner of your screen, and that will help you understand differential feed much better. But I did want to point out that this is an option. Sometimes when I work with really, really lightweight fabrics, I don't want the foot pressing down as heavy. So by loosening this, that would do the trick. But when I'm done, I'd probably want to put it back to its normal setting. So having that little drawn mark so you know how many times you've loosened it or tightened it, you can always get it back to its original setting.